Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing the BTS fifth album Arirang. This is the Target exclusive version and it was released this morning, Friday, March 20th. Of course, the album released on Spotify and online last night, so I hope you were able to listen to the music, but wanted to show you what this exclusive Target version has and what it looks like. I got the Rooted in Korea version set, and it offers some exclusive Target photo cards. So let me go ahead and open it up. Let's see here. There were so many versions when I went to Target this morning. It was tough deciding which one I wanted, but ultimately I chose this one because it's the special Korean version, and I really only wanted to buy one. So here's a listing of all the tracks. It's in a nice little cardboard box that I'm going to try to open without tearing. Okay. Let's see. Love how all their names are listed on here, and it's so simple. And ooh, what is this little in the back? It says Bantan Soyandan. And oh, what is this? It looks like a little keychain of some sort. I want to pull it off, but I kind of don't. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Here are the credits. Set this to the side. Ooh, it's kind of opaque. You can see the different pictures here. And oh, I love that it folds out. It kind of has this tacky feel to it, very smooth, and kind of that sticky paper, that wax, kind of like a wax paper. And I can see why it's called the Rooted in Korea version. Oops, sorry, let me move that out of the way. And, oh, I love the visuals here. Let's see if I can get a good angle for you. So you've probably seen this in other unboxing videos. I'm just gonna quickly go through it. It kind of has this magazine paper feel. Definitely looks like a fashion shoot. Really like the color concept also. They look very mature in here. Different from the other CDs, but also a continuation. And I love these little details that you know where they shot this was in Korea, because you can see some of that coloring in the back. Now I'm really interested in some of the other CDs, but again, I don't want to collect more. I might have to get one more version. But let's quickly flip through these. Those are the pictures. I've got lyrics, still the Arirang imaging in here, the coloring, very black and white. And more photo. Really love these themes they're doing, and I'm sure there's so much symbolism that I'm not catching right now on my first go, so I'd probably have to take a closer look. So it's like a little booklet. I feel like it's a little program or booklet. Kind of prepares me for the concert, right? So here we have the little special packaging. Oh, it's a sticker. Let me see. Can I pull this off without ripping it? Okay, let's do this slowly. I know there might be an easier way to do this, but I'm just going to try to get through it. Okay, there we go. And, okay, got everything here. Here you can get a close-up on what that envelope says. All right, here are the photo cards. This out of the way. There's the 7 cards. And, oh, there's a little, it's almost like a little photo card booklet thing. And these look like letters from them. My Korean is not at that level to be able to read that. So might be having to Google Translate that later, but here's the imaging. Love the color. And here's the CDs. Actually, sorry, it's one CD. And here we go. The track listing. Makes me really want to try to get another one. Another version. There's just so many. I love this track listing on here. So fun. So thank you for attending my unboxing of this CD. I know it's been a long time since I've done one. Been trying to save up to go to a concert, so I hope you have a chance to get a CD yourself and listen to their awesome music. Thank you.